Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between the rolling hills, lived two identical twin brothers named Sam and Tom. They were inseparable, sharing everything they had, from their toys to their interests. They were so similar that even their teachers found it hard to tell them apart. One day, the twins decided to showcase their individuality by painting their own pet rabbits. Sam, a passionate artist, chose bright, vibrant colors for his rabbit, while Tom, the scientist, opted for a more precise and calculated approach, using the same color but applying it in a systematic pattern. As they presented their creations to their class, the teacher was stunned. She couldn't believe her eyes. She asked, "Who painted which rabbit? They look exactly the same." The twins, though identical, realized that their creations, while similar, were not the same. This incident sparked a curiosity in the twins. They began to explore the concept of same and different. They learned that while they may look alike, they are not the same. They have unique personalities, interests, and talents. They discovered that everything in the world has its own identity, its own uniqueness. Even the most identical twins, like them, have subtle differences that make them unique. This realization led them to appreciate their individuality and celebrate their differences. The twins learned a valuable lesson that day. They understood that same does not always mean identical. It can also mean similar, but not exactly the same. This understanding helped them grow as individuals, cherishing their unique qualities while respecting each other's differences. From that day forward, Sam and Tom embraced their individuality, each finding joy in their unique passions and talents. They continued to grow and learn, never losing sight of their unique identities. And so, they lived happily, side by side, serving as a reminder that even the most similar things can have their own unique identity. The end.